Hey everyone, it's Sarah. So I'm gonna be kind of quick with this video. I don't have much to eat, but I originally wanted to come back and attempt the spicy noodle challenge, but unfortunately, right here, it expired Halloween of last year, and the noodles smell like really dry too. So today I'm going to have my seaweed, of course, with this delicious seafood green noodle ramen. This has become one of my favorites. Totally one of my favorites. And I'm also, guess what guys, pregnant again. So I'm about 14 weeks in. I'm in my second trimester. My first baby, my son, is 7 months tomorrow. And for the sake of this video and not being able to do my spicy noodles, I'm also going to enjoy a pickle. The reason why it's cut is because I don't personally like the end part, and I ate this other end already. You know how there's a difference between the ends? Anyways, so I have my low sodium soy sauce. It's about 9:30 at night, and I kind of took a little nap around 7 or 8 with my husband, and I told him, you know, I didn't want to fall asleep even for an hour because I knew that I would be awake. And here I am eating some seafood pasta. So I'm just going to, I don't like the little cilantro chive, so I'm going to, and this is still really hot too, so I need to be careful. It smells so good. I love the seaweed in with it. It is the best. So I have my pickle, I have my delicious green noodle seafood ramen with seaweed, and I have my milk for a little bit of iron and protein and whatever else. And yeah, we're just gonna have like a little mukbang date tonight, and I hope you enjoy. I'm sorry I've been gone for so long. My son was severely colicky, which means he was more fussier than a normal baby. So I do want to apologize. I am a slurper. I like to eat my noodles. So good. Let me see if I can. That's not bad. I still look a hot mess, but hey, what can you do? Especially when you're a stay-at-home mom now. I do want to tell y'all, I know a lot of you here are more interested in food and ASMR and mukbangs, but I do have a second channel that shows my face. All the good, the bad, the ugly. And it is my pregnancy channel where I update about my son, and now more or less about my weekly pregnancy updates. So if anyone's interested in that, just let me know in the comments, and I can shoot you over there. I don't know what it is about these noodles. I just love seafood flavor in general. And these have like, I like the anchovy noodles too, but it's hard to find those anymore. Especially the noodles that I like. I like the rice noodle type of anchovy flavor ramen, but I can't find that anymore. So I found this like a month ago, and it was delicious. So I went back and I got a 6-pack. My milk with an S on it for Sarah, which is me. I missed milk so much the first 6 months my son was alive. Couldn't drink milk because he had a dairy intolerant and I was breastfeeding him. So since 6 months, he's been on soy formula, and it has saved me a lot of stress. I mean, feeding a baby every hour on your chest is difficult, especially when you start, with your early pregnancy symptoms of nausea. It ain't no fun no more. Just ain't no fun. Currently, right now, I think this one is a girl. All of my food cravings and aversions all seem to be the same as they were with my son. The only difference is my acne is not bad, knock on wood. I hardly have any acne. I have not had my face in a toilet sick at all during this pregnancy, and with my son, I was for 4 months. So, what have you guys been up to? Why do I do that? My hair's always in my face a lot more on the right side. Hi. Say, what's the point of hiding when I've already shown my face a little bit? And I guess it's just easier to film this way. I'm still getting used to the whole film while you eat thing. Actually, no, I'm not. There's really no problem with it. I don't know why I do. It's already at 7 minutes and all I'm eating is noodles and a hot dog. I need to stop talking. So good. I think I got all my noodles. Now I have the broth left, which is my favorite part too. Oh my goodness, I love this part. If I were sick, I would pick to drink this. Still a little hot, but I guess that's better that way than cold, right? Last little bit, you guys. All right. So last, but certainly not least, the pickle. I'm not like a hard pregnancy craving pickle kind of person, but On occasion, they do sound good. I just hope I don't get a tummy ache from this. This is one of those big, like, concession stand, football game, kind of movie theater kind of pickles. That's sour. I guess after this, I'm just gonna watch some TV till I can hopefully go to sleep later. We shall see. You know what's funny about these pickles? Just like the spicy noodles, I've had these the past year. Or these have been in my fridge the past year, maybe even 2 years. And they're still good. They don't go bad until 2018. So right on, pickles. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so ready to be done with this pickle. It's very sour. Sometimes, instead of a stomachache, or not only just a stomachache, these things can give me headaches too, and that's not what I want. That's also another reason why, you know, it was kind of not a full pickle. Yeah, cut me some slack, guys. Oh, sour. I'm gonna one bite this one so I can be done with it quicker. Oh. Okay, y'all. I'm almost at 15 minutes. That was kind of a long video for such a small amount of food. I talk way too much. I'll try and change that next time. If you have any requests of anything to eat, please let me know. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Bye.